So, today's topic we are taking freaking out. Whenever you are depressed or you are angry, you cannot control yourself and you do this, that, those, and after doing all these things, you feel guilty. So, how to control yourself in that moment? You have to know, you have to help yourself. Okay, that's why I'm making this video so that at least you will able be help yourself whenever you are freaked out. Please remember these all things that I am going to tell you now. So, are you freaked out or are you freaking out right now? Are you angry, sad, or anxious, or pretending to enjoying that you are happy but actually not? Yeah, that's what we are actually doing in this world, no? We are just making our small smile face, showing everyone, telling everyone, yeah, yeah, I'm okay, I'm fine. But actually, we are not fine. We also know that we are not fine. Whenever we are getting angry, we are doing very, very bad works in sense like we are breaking things, we are saying words which we are not supposed to say, we are insulting someone which we are not supposed to do, but we are doing that. Why? Because we are freaked out. So if yes, then I will help you deal with it. Okay, I will help you deal with it. Remember, I am saying I will help you deal with it. I am not telling you that I will just vanish it from your life, or I am not saying you that I will just solve this. This you have to deal, my friend. You have to deal with this problem. Okay, if it is so, come. I'll take an example to explain the way to deal with freaking out situation. Say you are angry because today morning you broke two glass balls in anger knowingly and you are freaking out. Okay, knowingly in the morning you broke two glass balls. Okay, it was not that by mistake you have broken, then it was okay. You could have been forgotten. But now you have broken them in your anger. That's why you are freaked out. Okay, so now you are thinking, what if my boss will know about this? What will be his reaction? How can I deal with this situation? And if my co-workers know this, oof, ah, God. So you are praying to your God, please help me, please do some magic and just make all things good, make all things right. Okay, I listen you. Now you have to follow the following steps. Okay, follow these steps. See, first of all, you have to acknowledge what has happened. Tell me what has happened. So balls are gone. Okay, this is a sad thing, but balls are gone. They are gone. Gone means gone. Finished. Stop thinking about that. By thinking again and again that the balls are gone, balls are gone, balls are gone, they are not going to come back. Okay, stop thinking about that. They are gone means gone. Okay. And also, you should acknowledge this that you were angry at the moment because of some other reason, whatever reason it was, but you were angry in the morning and that's why you broke the balls. Acknowledge this. Okay. Next. Accept what you can't prevent or what you can't control. One day they will know. You cannot control it, you cannot prevent it. They will know whatever they are. Whether they are your boss, mother, father, or whether your relatives or your co-workers or whatever they are, they will know one day. And you can't control their reaction, their way of thinking, their nature. Okay, according to their own nature, they will react. They will react. You cannot expect from a snake not to spit venom. If it is a snake, it will spit venom. No matter, it doesn't matter whatever you do with the snake. It means it doesn't matter that how much love you are giving to the snake, how much care you are giving to the snake. It will one day bite you. Okay, so you cannot control the nature or behavior of the people around you. Whatever bad will happen will not happen because of you. Please know this. It will happen because of their nature and their surroundings. It will happen because of their thought process. It will happen because of their thinking. Okay? You cannot expect a lion to become a vegetarian. Okay? You cannot expect that. It is in their nature, it is in their blood. So if they are lion, if they are snake, they will do according to your nature, according to their nature. You cannot stop that. You cannot prevent that. So acknowledge this. Okay? Acknowledge that everyone is different and everyone is not a lion. This also you should know that every person in the whole world is not a bad person. Okay, if something has happened, if something bad you have done, it doesn't mean that everyone will take or everyone will react samely in the same way. It's not that everyone will be angry with you. There will be some people who will come to you and who will show you path, like, see, I am here, I am telling you that you are not wrong. Whatever happened has happened. Okay, it has happened already. You don't have to worry about the past. What you have to worry about is the present. Please don't ruin this moment. Don't waste this time because of something happened in the morning. Don't ruin your evening now. Don't ruin your tomorrow. Don't ruin your future. Sorry, ruin or ruin, whatever it is. So don't make waste of your life, okay? Now, only fault or guilt you must have. Yes, you must have a guilt or fault that you were angry in the morning and the glass balls are gone. You should acknowledge this. You should know this, that yes, you were angry in that moment. Okay? Yeah, so it's okay. You are having that guilt, or you are thinking that I'm guilty. That's okay. That should be there, because if you are, that has happened, no, and you did it. Okay, so you are guilty. No one is going to say that you are innocent. Okay, you are guilty means you are guilty. Now, what has happened? Yes, you are. See, same thing I have written also. So you are guilty of that, but what will happen now, that will be not your fault. If and only if you understand that past is past, present is present, and future you are building up now itself, in the moment right now. You are making your future from this moment. So if you think good, okay, if you do good, your future will be good. It's just you have to acknowledge that yes, I was angry at the moment, but now I will try to control my anger. That's all. Okay. Now, address. Third step is address what you can do instead of worrying and being sad. Okay. So I already told you that you can think good, you can do good, and you can make your future bright by doing good things in your present moment. In this moment itself, if you do good, you will get good. That's it. Yes. If you are working hard on your mathematics will be good. Your calculations will be good. Yes. But if you are not working, it will not be good, obviously. So if you want a good future, work on your present now. Okay. Now what you can do about this situation, so you can apologize, whether now or in the coming future, it doesn't matter. Feelings are feelings, words are words, they have the same meaning. So you have to apologize. Okay, you not have to, it's your choice, but you can apologize now. It is in your hand. It depends upon them, and it is their right to react whatever way they want, not yours. See, not yours. It is not your right to think, to manage their reaction, to handle their reaction. No, I should tell them I'm sorry and they should tell me okay, okay, it's okay. No, this is not your right. They are completely a different person, their thought process is different. Okay, so they will think differently, they will take this sentence differently, not as same as you are taking this think. Okay, for you it has gone means gone. Okay, they should forgive me. This is your just simple thought, expectation. This should not be like you should not think that no, this must be happen. This must happen. They must tell me that okay, 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 it's all right. No, that is not your right. That is their right. That is their action. Okay, let them do their work, and you do your work. Your work is here to apologize. That's all. You are apologizing. You are apologizing. Apollo. You are asking for forgiveness. Okay. Now it's upon them. They are giving forgiveness or not. Not giving. If they are not forgiving you, then okay, na. They will be angry. Hmm? They will punish you. That's all. So why are you thinking more and more about the same thing and making all the your mind it completely going to dark? Okay, please don't do that with your mind. Okay, whatever they will do, let them do. It's their reaction, it's their right to accept or not your apology. Your job is to this extent only that you can say sorry. That's all. And then you should not have this this feeling of being sorry and all, because you are sorry, you are truly sorry, and after some time you will realize that now that sadness is gone. Okay, because you realize that you have made a mistake, and now you have realized that it was a mistake. That's why you want to do something better in your life, and you are doing better in your life. Okay, so just follow your dreams or whatever you want to do. Good works, do them. Let it go. Okay, whatever happened has happened. See, the same things I have written. Do your duty sincerely, and when you are being angry or say or on something, please calm the f down. Calm down, man. Calm down. Okay, calm down. If you are angry, please calm down. Very easy it is. Three steps are there: acknowledge, accept, and address. Acknowledge what has happened, accept what you can't control, address what you can do. Okay, I have just given an example, but you can relate it to your every any problem. For example, for a boy that maybe his girlfriend has dumped him, and now he's whipping, he's crying, he's taking alcohols and all. Very bad things. Well, so you should, if you are that person, you should acknowledge this, that whatever what has happened, tell me that girl is liking someone else. That's happened. That's all. She is not liking you. That's all. Okay. She has dumped you. Accept it. Accept it. She has dumped you. She is not going to live in a relationship with you. Okay. She is not going to be a friend with you. She is not going to accept your call now. You cannot control these things. You cannot control these things. Just accept these all. Now address what you can do. What you can do, instead of going to a bar and taking wines and all, you can do better with your life. You can set a goal in your life. You can keep all these positive energies that you are getting in your mind. Your mind is full of energies now. You can give them a direction. Okay, a good direction, a positive direction. What you want to do in your life, set a goal and work on that. Whatever you want to do. Hmm? Ask yourself that, is this you want wine? The whole life you want wine? No. If you don't want, then do what do you want to do. Okay, if you want to become an engineer, or if you want to be a CEO in a office, or if you want to start a business, whatever you want to do, start working now. Okay, that's all for today. I will meet you in another video. Thank you all.